Hi everyone, I'm Jerry.
I'm Sarah.
And we were just sent this fast fling game. It has these pucks. It actually comes with these really nice, there's 20 of these nice wooden pucks that are 10 of each color, 10 black and 10 white. And the purpose of the game is really simple. You put 5 pucks on the board. I'm trying to knock my pucks through the hole, and she's trying to get hers onto my side. And the person that gets theirs loaded up to the first side wins. So here we go. You just pull them back and you let them fly and you try to get them through the hole.
I'm going to bring you in here close so you can take a look at it up close. Here are the pucks up close. It's a nice small size. They're all rounded off in smooth wood all the way around. And then you've got the board with the little slingshot on here. This would be great for entertainment to bring to different parties. It's nice and portable. And it comes with a little bag that you can actually store all of your pucks in. A nice little velvet bag that's got a little drawstring on it. So you can have this as a nice game to be able to bring with you to any party, have fun, and be a little competitive.